Select the latest version of Xampp for your operating system. I'm going to download Xampp on my Windows 10 computer. Locate Download 64-bit button and click it. To check your computer system, click Start menu button and type System. When System appears, click it. The following window shows your computer properties. That's where you can also confirm your system type. Most system types are 64 and 32-bit. The download starts immediately, but I am not going to wait because I had downloaded the file earlier. So I'm going to cancel and jump to the folder where Xampp file is saved and start the installation by double-clicking on Xampp. These are programs that come with Xampp. Select programs which you want to install and click Next. Select location where the files will be saved or use default and click Next. Select language and click Save. When you click Netstat, you will see the ports and the programs occupying them.